I go to the hair salon. I go to the hair salon. I see the hairdresser. I see the hairdresser. I sit in the chair. I sit in the chair. I put on a cape. I put on a cape. I say, cut my hair, please. I say, cut my hair, please. The hairdresser takes out scissors. The hairdresser takes out scissors. The hairdresser trims my hair. The hairdresser trims my hair. I see the hair falling. I see the hair falling. I sit still. I sit still. The hairdresser uses clippers. The hairdresser uses clippers. The hairdresser styles my hair. The hairdresser styles my hair. The hairdresser makes it look nice. The hairdresser makes it look nice. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I see my new hairstyle. I see my new hairstyle. I say, thank you. I say, thank you. I leave the salon. I leave the salon. I like my haircut. I like my haircut. I feel fresh. I feel fresh. I am happy. I am happy. The hair salon is a good place. The hair salon is a good place. I go there often. I go there often.